Hi, I hope I'm audible to you guys, and it is another day of recording me on camera for my YouTube videos for my English speaking journey. So, today I met with some students of class 10th, and they were asking me about consonants and variables. So, what happened? They were doing some question which had some variables means x and y in an equation or anything like this, x y t p q etc. So when I was explaining them then I understood one thing. They were able to do questions like this. I hope it is visible to you, but they are struggling at this. uh, this x plus 4 then this. So basically they were in class 10th, and it is very basic thing to know, and they were able to do questions according to examples. Like example is saying something, and they were revising the rules. They were putting those things there where a variable is written, then they were making their answers. It is not nice. Maths is not the thing to remember. Not always the thing to remember. You should know the logic behind the concept, behind the question. So if a class 10th student is doing these mistakes, and he was not dumb, he was able to understand. Even they understood this thing within 5 minutes. They understood variables and consonant so easily. So it was not their fault. It is about our education system, because they are studying in a government school where teachers doesn't care about doesn't where teachers don't even care about students future, student progress, what they are doing. They just come and they just write things on board and they go. They For them only their salary matters, like whatever they are getting. So how can this kind of student will compete to a person who is studied in a very good school, very good tuitions, like that? So it is what it is a place where many of the students fail to compete, or in future they have to put extra effort to learn these things, where a student whose basics are clear can easily do those questions. So this is what I wanted to say, that it is not their fault that they don't know the concepts. It is actually teachers feel there, they fail to make them learn these concepts. And let's see what will happen if our government will do things to mark their progress. Even they should mark teachers progress as well, how much they are putting effort according to student. Like if in a class there are 30 students and one is topper, then they should know that every student at least learning the topic. Doesn't matter he is getting 60 marks, 70 marks, 35 marks, but at least 50, 60 they should get. because no one is born intelligent. Students whose basics are clear, like he knows HCF, LCM, these kind of consonant variables, he knows fractions, he absolutely do better uh, in upcoming lessons, because everything is chapter by chapter, level by level in our syllabus. So this is where we feel. So I hope I will I can do something for at least some students, at least two, three. Let's see how it goes. So this is enough for today, and I will make a complete video on our system, what is lacking in our system, because I didn't find any studying error pattern. Like we say, we make labors, we don't have any job security kind of thing, but we are failing in bureaucracy. Our bureaucracy is already corrupt. Bureaucracy means government officers. So I will make a separate video on this topic, because currently I don't have a good mic, and it is just an excuse, as I know, but I need to do more study on it, so that I will show you everything. Bye.